Hi and welcome to this Tech Insights video. My name is Mary and I'm an application engineer here at IFM Effector. You are here because you have either purchased or plan to purchase one of our LMC series level sensors. In today's video, we are going to go over the programming of these sensors. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be programming an LMC 110. As you can see here, I currently have it installed in a tube filled with oil, so that later in the video I can show you what the sensor's values read when it is completely submerged versus half submerged versus empty and not touching the oil at all. This specific part number has a G1 half-inch front thread, and for reference I have an LMC 400 here so you can see what the rear threaded versions look like. So now let me take you into the software so that I can show you how to program the different parameters on these sensors. So here you have our moneo configuration software. Since these parts do not have a display or push buttons, they cannot be manually programmed on the device themselves. So you would need to program it using our IO-Link parameterization software, which is moneo configuration. Here is the home page of our moneo configuration software, and you can see that it currently does not see any devices. In order to search for a device, you click on Network Scan, and you can either scan your whole network, enter a specific IP address of an IO-Link master that the device is connected to, or in our case, it is connected through our E30390 programming cable, so you can check that and hit Scan. So now you can see across the top it is searching for our LMC 110 and it has now found it. So now I'm going to click on this part and it'll now pull in all of the identification information, parameters I can set, and any diagnostic information for this sensor. So first you can see the identification information. Specifically you can see the vendor ID and device ID, which is important for IO-Link. Next, if you click on parameter, you can see all of the different parameters that you can set. It'll show you what everything is currently set for, and if you want to change anything, for example, if you want to change output 2 from hysteresis normally closed to hysteresis normally open, you can make that change and then go below and write it to the device. So for example, I changed it to HNO. I'm going to hit write to device, and you can see that it is currently writing that parameter to the device, and it'll let you know below when it is done. Another cool feature with this software is that over to the right where you have the gauge icon, you can click on this and see what the sensor is currently reading in real time. It'll show you the level and it'll show you the real value of the level. And if you scroll down, it'll show you if output 2 and output 1 are currently on. As you can see, I now have the sensor side by side with the cockpit view so that we can see the real-time values. If I completely submerge the sensor in the oil, you see that the value it is reading is about 70 to 80%. Now if I angle it so that only half of the tip or some of the tip is submerged in the media, you can see it is reading around 20 to 30%. Now, if I put it straight up so that the sensor is no longer touching the oil, you see it reads below 5%. So not only does this software allow you to parameterize your sensor, it also allows you to customize your switch points by using the real-time value cockpit mode to see your specific media in your application. So there you have it. That concludes this Tech Insights video on the programming of our LMC point level sensors. As always, you can check out our Learn More section on our website for helpful information on any of our products. Feel free to contact us at 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.